I'm Jennifer with Jennifer at Home, and I'm super excited and happy you're here for the Springtime Tabletop Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and me, Jennifer at Home. All participating channels will be listed below. Be sure to check them out, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Spring is definitely here, and I think of gardening when I think of the spring and beautiful flowers starting to bloom. I'm having a friend over for lunch today, and I put down some nice neutral placemats. I'm going to start adding things that remind me of the outdoors and gardening. I have a wonderful green mossy birdhouse with some wonderful wildflowers. The birdhouse has a lovely vine growing from the top and a wonderful coordinating watering can, tied with a burlap ribbon and some little wooden beads, and also a clay flower pot with daisies. I've added some more wildflowers to this side. Some more beautiful white wildflowers right in the center will tie everything together. Some overflowing daisies from the flower pot will be a beautiful additional touch. I've tied our fork and napkin with a beautiful mossy check ribbon and sprig of eucalyptus. My friend absolutely loves gardening. She has her seeds planted and they're coming up so nicely. She's going to really love this beautiful spring table setting. I had so much fun participating in this really fun collaboration. Don't forget to check out all the other channels listed below and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.